What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a super exciting day. Today is an auction day and we're gonna be bidding on a brand new truck, 2021 Ford F150 Platinum. So let's take a look and see exactly what we got. We got a brand new F150. Minor damage, doesn't look too bad. Looks like the hood, the fender, windshield is busted for some reason. Let's do a 360 and see exactly what's going on. Let's do the exterior. So obviously the hood, the windshield, the fender, mirror. This door looks okay. Back door might be a little damaged right here. I see something. Rear glasses damaged as well, broken. This side looks perfect. And let's see the interior. Nice interior. Fully loaded, leather interior, platinum edition, and it looks like both curtains deployed and both seats deployed. But other than that, looks really nice and clean. Let's see how many miles it got. 1,648 miles. It's a 4x4, 3.5, 6-cylinder, and the actual value is $75,816, and Geico Insurance is selling. So really nice truck. I like it a lot. Really clean inside out for the most part. Pretty much brand new truck. So super nice truck. I haven't bought a truck or rebuilt a truck on my channel, so something different, you know, and it's for a good friend of mine, and we're gonna bid and hopefully we're gonna win it. So auction starts right now and let's see how it goes. Woohoo! Yes, we got it! 40,000. Wow, that's a good price. What do you guys think? Please drop a comment. Would love to hear your feedback on the price and the truck. And looks like we got ourselves a new build. Woohoo! Let's go see what we got. Before we go look at the truck, if you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn your bell notification because we post new videos every week. New week, new video. Don't forget to like this video as well. And let's go see our new truck. Look at this, it looks perfect from this side. Wow, 2021 brand new truck, platinum edition. It looks good. Wow, no damage to the doors. I wonder what happened to this thing. Pretty clean overall. Man, this is a nice truck. Super nice truck overall. Light damage, interesting damage. So if anybody knows what happened to this truck, or if you're the owner of this truck, let us know in the comment section what happened to this truck. But very, very interesting damage. No damage to the doors, but the roof kind of got damaged. So weird flex, but okay, how they say. But overall, I like it. Clean truck. Once they unload the truck, we'll take a closer look at the interior and stuff like that. But this is a platinum, so it should be like top-notch truck. And I love the color, charcoal gray with black interior, leather interior. Boom, starts like a champ. Wheel got damaged, but I think we could recondition this wheel, hopefully.
It's really nice.
Yeah, really smooth.
Very smooth.
Nice running boards. I think they retract. Yeah, those are electric running boards. Very funny damage. And then right here, just out of nowhere. Interesting. Brand new leather. Wow, this thing is awesome. Wow, look at the screen. That's a big screen. Platinum, leather seats, full moonroof. I like it. Wow, this thing is huge inside. It's like a little office space that you could work on, I guess. Okay. I like it. Got backup camera, sensors. Wow. This is a nice one key, and this is it has cameras everywhere. Does it have it has a camera right here as well. So fully loaded. Wow, big seat belts. This seat exploded as well. Let's see what's going on here. Floor mats, brand new headrests. I like it. Perfect, I like it. I like it a lot. Really nice truck. We'll get this truck back on its feet in no time. And also I want to give a big shout out to my transport company for helping me out transport this truck. I know a lot of you guys ask me who do I use for transport and how do I get such a good price as well. Let me tell you about those guys. RCG Logistics, best in the game, super quick responsive service. I bought this truck on Monday. I paid for it on Tuesday, called the RCG Logistics and booked the reservation with them, and they picked up this car within 24 hours. So on Wednesday they picked up this car, and today is Thursday and it's at my shop, and best in the game. And they've been in this business over 16 years, so they could pick up any vehicle, running condition or not running, from motorcycles, cars, trucks, RVs, SUVs, big heavy equipment, anything got to do with wheels, they could pick it up, running or not running. And if it's missing wheels, they got a solutions for any problem. So highly recommend their service. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check them out. I'll put their phone number, Instagram, and a referral link. Reach out to them and they could provide you with the quote before they pick up the car, so you know exactly what you're paying, and they'll deliver the car anywhere around the United States. So highly recommend. Once again, everything will be in the description, so check them out. So for now, I want to get this truck inside of the shop, vacuum all the glass, all the broken glass, and start taking everything apart and start ordering new parts. So let's do this. So first thing I want to do, I want to change this tire, and there's a spare tire, I think. Yeah, right there. So I want to put a spare tire. This way we could drive the truck around and start ordering all the parts and start taking everything apart and start the repair process. So I got the truck inside of the shop. I want to cut the airbags, vacuum everything, and start taking everything apart. Just remove the windshield so we could start working on the truck. So next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start taking everything apart. I'm gonna remove the front bumper, the headlight, hood, fender, because we're getting a new hood, new fender. And also I'm gonna have to replace this upper section of the roof as well. So I gotta remove the doors, and hopefully I could repair this door as well, so everything is still working properly. Lots of work ahead of me, so let the fun begin. Let's do this. Меня зовут Евгений, Just took the front end completely apart, and it was fairly easy, nothing too complicated, pretty much same design as the previous. So next we're gonna start working on the doors. I want to remove both doors, so this way we got room to work. And before I remove them, I want to remove the door panels, so this way they don't get any kind of damage or any dirt on them, and I'll put them away in the office. So it looks like a couple screws holding the door panel, 1, 2. And then probably a couple bolts or screws here, and then probably something underneath this light, and technically it should pop off. And same with the rear. Let's remove both door panels, both doors, and we'll go from there. just took the doors apart, so we're done with the doors. And man, I love buying cars where nobody messed with them, nobody took them apart, and I'm the first one taking it apart, so I'm tagging and bagging everything, so it's going to be super easy to put it back together. So we're done with the doors, so next I'm gonna start taking the interior apart. I gotta replace 2 airbags on the seats. I'm gonna have to take this to a upholstery shop so they could redo the seats, and also gotta change the curtains. So right now I'm gonna start removing the headliner. Most likely I'm gonna have to drop the sunroof as well and take everything apart because we're gonna have to replace this upper piece. So that's what we're gonna do next. Should be fairly easy as well with the interior. So let's do it. Let the fun begin. Just removed the headliner, so everything is taken apart inside. So next, what I want to do, I want to remove this glass completely, so this way I got plenty of room to work, and it should be fairly easy. Just got a bunch of bolts all the way around. It's nice to work when you don't have a windshield or back glass because everything just easy to remove. The headliner, I had to remove it from the front, and this one will drop it and pull it through the back, but so far so good, lots of progress. So let's remove the glass, the final, and we could start cutting everything out. Let's do it. So I stripped everything down, so now we could start working on it. And I already ordered new parts. I got a new hood coming, new fender, and whole side of the truck. They only sell the complete side, but I don't think we're gonna change the whole thing. We're just gonna do a section, probably do a section here, here, and right here, because everything else is perfect and I don't want to mess with the original panel. We'll just skin this part and that's it. So right now what I want to do, I want to go to my upholstery shop, they're down the street, and find out if he could fix the seats. So this way I could order just the 2 airbags on the seats and then 2 curtains, and hopefully he could save the seats. This way I don't have to buy the new seat covers, because they do sell them separate and they pretty expensive. I think they're like $600 a piece. So we'll go to a upholstery shop down the street and get a quote, and we'll go from there, and I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Pretty cool to drive this truck in this condition with no doors, no windshield, sunroof or moonroof. That's gonna be the new conversion. Who needs doors and roof? We'll just rock it like this. Probably should put my safety goggles in case something's gonna start flying towards me. But he literally is down the street, so we'll go on a little test drive and see how this truck drives. Drives pretty good. Probably we gotta do alignment on it. Steering wheel is completely sideways, but other than that, it drives pretty good, I would say. And he's right here in this plaza, so not even half a mile walking distance. Uh-oh, clips are falling off. All right, we're here, so let's go and get a quote, see how much that's gonna cost us to redo the seats. Just got a quote from my guy. He could do both seats for 600 bucks. 600 bucks, I think it's a really good price for that. So we could order the 2 airbags for the seats and 2 curtains. So let's head back to the shop and start working on the rest of the car. Just got back to the shop and we got a quote on the seats, pretty good quote. What he told me pretty much, order new airbags, remove the seats and bring it to him and he'll do the rest and they're gonna look like brand new, like nothing ever happened. And we're still waiting for the hood, the fender and the side panel should be coming tomorrow or the next day and we'll start working on it. So for now, we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video and I'll catch you guys in part 2. До свидания!